How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering how, in today's video we'll be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just get started. You can directly start by opening up the Instagram application for that. And once you open up Instagram, without posting story, it is not possible. But what you can do is, without currently posting, you can add it on your highlight. So for that, you can look out for your archives. You can go to your profile in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and access your settings. Look out for the menu icon in the top right corner and tap on it. And when you tap on it, it should open up the space right here. You may basically look out for the option of archive from here and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, you will be finding all of your stories available here. Now we can just go ahead and add it to highlights, because if you go ahead and post your old stories, the people won't be noticing that. So you can just go ahead and add it to your highlights. So select the story you want to add to highlight, and once you do so, you should be finding a highlight option on the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and name it as well. After that, you can tap on add. And once you do, the story will be added to a highlight on your screen. You may just head to your profile right there, and there we go. You should be finding your highlights on your screen like that. And that's it. You can also try archiving your story, and by archiving your story, right after you post, after a few seconds, you can just go ahead and add it to your highlight, just as I showed right now, and that will add highlights to your story. So that is it. You may follow up this process in order to do so. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.